Ever dreamed of your car lasting over 700,000 miles? It's not just a fantasy. With the right care and tricks, your trusty ride can go the distance. Today, we're unveiling 11 insider tips to keep your car running like new for decades. Plus, stick around for a bonus tip that can save you thousands. Let's hit the road. Tip number 1. Nip small issues in the bud before they become major headaches. Ignoring minor problems can lead to costly repairs. A tiny coolant leak can cause overheating, and a worn belt can leave you stranded. Keep an eye out for cracked hoses, worn belts, and exhaust leaks. These affect your car's performance and fuel efficiency. If you hear strange noises, see fluid puddles, or notice dashboard lights, take action. Fixing a small problem now is way cheaper than repairing major damage later. If you're unsure, consult a mechanic. Tip number 2. Learn to read your car's warning signs. Your car speaks to you through dashboard lights and strange noises. A check engine light could mean anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. Don't ignore it. Listen for grinding, squealing, or knocking sounds. These often signal trouble with brakes, suspension, or the engine. Unusual smells like burning oil or coolant could mean leaks or overheating. Notice changes in how your car drives? Rough idling, power loss, or shaking can indicate engine or transmission issues. An OBD2 scanner can help diagnose problems early. Tip number 3, keep your fuel system in top shape. Your car's fuel system is its lifeline. Avoid letting your fuel level drop below a quarter tank. Over time, fuel tanks collect sediments and water. Running on low fuel can suck these into the fuel pump, clogging the filter or damaging fuel lines. Plus, the fuel pump relies on fuel for cooling. Regularly driving on low fuel can cause it to overheat and fail. Check and replace your fuel filter as recommended in your manual, usually every 50,000 kilometers. Clean fuel injectors every 30,000 kilometers to maintain performance and mileage. Tip number 4, shield your car from rust and corrosion. Rust can spread quickly and weaken your car's structure. Regular maintenance is key to prevention. Wash your car often, especially in winter. Road salt speeds up corrosion, eating away at metal. After washing, dry the undercarriage and wheel wells to prevent trapped moisture from causing rust. A protective layer like wax or ceramic coating seals the paint and keeps moisture out. If you live in a snowy area, undercoating helps protect exposed metal from road salt and grime. Touch up small paint chips quickly to prevent rust spots. A rust-free car lasts longer and holds its value better. Tip number 5, flush and replace fluids on schedule. Essential fluids like brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid need regular replacement. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, affecting braking performance. Power steering fluid helps your car steer smoothly, and old or low fluid makes steering harder. Transmission fluid keeps your gears shifting smoothly, and old fluid can cause rough shifting and damage. Check your car's owner's manual for replacement intervals and always use the recommended fluids. Using the wrong type can cause serious damage. Tip number 6, invest in high-quality fluids and filters. For engine oil, use the type recommended in your car's manual. Synthetic oil often performs best, lasting longer and working better under high temperatures. Transmission fluid is equally important. Dirty or low fluid can cause slipping or breakdowns. Coolant is crucial for preventing overheating. Always check the coolant level and replace it with the correct type. Filters like air, oil, and fuel filters keep dirt out of your engine. Replacing them on schedule helps everything run smoothly. Tip number 7, choose quality replacement parts. When repairs are needed, don't skimp on cheap parts. Aftermarket parts may be cheaper, but often don't last as long as OEM parts. OEM parts are designed to fit your car perfectly and match the quality of the original parts. Cheap parts can cause more problems down the road, affecting safety and performance. For critical components, always opt for OEM parts. If you're on a budget, certified refurbished parts are a reliable alternative. Tip number 8, drive smoothly and responsibly. Aggressive driving can cut your car's lifespan by up to 10 years. Avoid rapid acceleration, hard stops, and sharp turns. These actions put extra strain on your engine, brakes, and suspension. Accelerate slowly and steadily, and maintain a consistent speed, especially on highways. Use cruise control to keep your speed even and reduce engine strain. Brake gently to avoid wearing out brake pads and rotors. Avoid overloading your car as excess weight stresses the suspension and tires. Tip number 9, take care of your tires. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. Check your owner's manual for the correct PSI and monitor it regularly as tires lose about 1 PSI per month. Underinflated tires waste fuel, wear out faster, and can lead to blowouts. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. If you notice uneven wear, it's time for a wheel alignment. Inspect for cuts, cracks, or damage and replace worn-out tires promptly. Tip number 10, keep your engine well lubricated. Lack of lubrication can quickly destroy your engine. Change your oil on time and consider switching to synthetic oil for better protection. Always use the correct oil viscosity as recommended in your owner's manual. After an oil change, pre-fill the oil filter if it installs vertically. If it's angled, crank the engine for 3 10-second intervals with the fuel pump relay removed to build oil pressure before starting. Tip number 11, clean your fuel injectors for optimal performance. Clogged fuel injectors can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency. Carbon buildup disrupts fuel delivery, leading to misfires and increased engine wear. Pour a fuel injector cleaner into your tank when fuel is low, right before filling up. This helps break down deposits and ensures smooth fuel flow. Follow the instructions and add the correct amount, then fill your tank with gas to mix it properly. Regular cleaning improves mileage, prevents clogs, and extends engine life. Bonus tip, consider disabling your car's start-stop system. While designed to enhance fuel efficiency, especially in heavy traffic, these systems can increase wear on parts like motor mounts and alternators over time. Many cars have a manual override button on the dashboard, but it resets with each start. Some aftermarket devices can disable it permanently, though they may affect your warranty. Check your owner's manual for instructions on how to turn it off and save your engine from unnecessary strain. And there you have it, the secrets to making your car last over 700,000 miles. Follow these tips and your car will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below to watch our video on car repair secrets that will save you $2,720 every year. Safe travels and see you in the next video.